I'm Mark English, architect with Mark English Architects in San Francisco, and we're at the Pinwheel House in Marin County. This home was originally conceived of and built in the 70s. It has kind of an eccentric layout. The basic arrangement of the house is like a pinwheel around a hexagonal core. For some reason, when the architect designed this house, he didn't really take into account that there were fantastic views. And the sloping roofs actually cut off the views, and some of the internal walls also cut off the views to Angel Island and Alcatraz and beyond. So what we did is made every attempt to open up the floor plan and lift up the roof pedals so that we could get large windows and doors in to capture the views. We also removed walls between dining and living, and at various levels throughout the floor plan we combined spaces as often as we could. For us as architects, it was a huge challenge because the drawings of a three-dimensional spiral in 2 dimensions are not very descriptive. We actually ended up using a modeling program to create a 3D model of the house so that we could look at it from any angle, have it on the laptop at the job site during construction so that we knew what we were looking at. We had to install a great deal of structural steel to be able to open up the plan and to really just strengthen the building and bring it up to current code. And that allowed for floor-to-ceiling sliding doors and fixed glass and most of the perimeter. All of those materials came in off of a barge, boomed in onto the dock, and then manhandled up into the house. Very few items came down the stairs from the street level or down the funicular. The steel that we used is mostly exposed. Fred and Robin did not want us to make the steel connections fussy. They really wanted the structural steel to show. So we have bolts exposed, we have welds, we have cutouts, and the finish is really just an oil over the raw steel. Because we'd worked on a home just up the hill, we realized that there's an opportunity for a really tremendously heroic view from the bathtub, located such that the view of San Francisco was predominant. My favorite room is the kitchen. I love the way the kitchen is the center of the house. Fred is quite a cook, and to have a kitchen that had no view in this location was a horrible situation. So we opened up all the walls in the kitchen so that from his perch up there he could see 180 degrees of view. It really is the hub of this house, and when you're up there you feel like you're in command of, all creation.